Say what?
So that, all the way from there, this 1, 2, these 2 ponds?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's too big, man.
Huh?
That's big.
It's big?
Yeah.
Right? So, just this alone,
Yeah.
it's quite enough. It's big enough, right? This is the middle.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
So I'll be like
So,
1, 2, the
what
middle.
happens here?
There's more in there.
So what happens in this middle one?
It's supposed to be like when you have a baby fish,
okay.
and then when they grow a month or 2, you put a new one here.
Ah, okay.
So when you harvest, and then this one you will release.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it'll be like 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
Ah, okay.
So
level 1.
So it is level 1, like when you're trying to grow something.
Yeah.
So put them in here, level 1. Once they grow, release them so they can go to the bigger fish pond.
Yeah. Feel the water or?
The water came from the river.
Oh, okay.
This is a good spot right here. Then, bam, mountains. And then here, I'm gonna create an island. So there's an island there. There's a bridge right over there, you know, and that would be nice, right?
Man, that would be awesome.
It's 7 a.m. It's a 30 minutes drive. It's a 10-minute walk, and I've been up since 5 a.m. So today is a harvest day for crabs only. We're gonna leave the shrimp and also the milkfish behind, and that's for next week. So bali ito yung lalaki nasa taas. Aba, naka ano talaga, no? Ngayon pa kayo ano?
Tumatalon yan, bo. Lalo mo?
Niloko lang eh.
Abuting yan, lalong walang kalong. Tumatalon yan. Kahit nakapangaw na ganyan. Vertical yan eh.
Boss, baka may ikot ka dyan.
Laki ng puta. Dalawa? Sinuwerte. Kung ganun. Oo. Oh. Gonna watch how they do it. Buhay na buhay, ano? Oh. Isang sako pa lang yan. $10, $12. Tapos isang ano, anime. Lumaki rin sila, no?
Wala na. O, ilagay niyo yung pang-ulam. Lagay niyo yung hilo. Ha? Meron na. Ito.
Mga masarap na, pinapakso lang. Ako, inaano ko lang yan. Pinipirito ko lang. Puno. Di pa ano yun. Sit. Sit. Whoop. Puputi. Manok tsaka bibi, magkasama na sila. Sama kayo. Tara, sama kayo. Lakad tayo. Lakad tayo. We need a lot of net. And we need more guns. Like beautiful guns. This thing sucks. Ang dami nila oh. Ayun oh. Halera sa taas. Hanggang dun. Ayun. So finally I got you, bro. I got you, man. What's up? Oh, pakpak. Ano? Huh? Tama mo, pakpak no? Bali. You going with me? Alright.
Yan, ikakap nyo lang yan. Ito, malambot lang yan ha. Ayan dyan, sakal nyo rito.
Yan.
Basta itapat yung babut sa
Ayan,
kasi pag kayo puputulan kailangan doble yan.
Pinahuli ko.
Hindi mo hawakan yung bibig para hindi ka tukayan sa mukha.
Hindi natutuka yan.
We're gonna shoot more birds. Ooh. After the harvest, we're gonna prepare this one and wait another 1 month for this one. Tip tayo ng konti, masyadong malayo. Butas, dibdib. Pagkalakad niya, bumagsak no? Ayun no? Oh. Layo, cheers! Pasa may birthday, cheers tayo lahat. Para. Cheers! Pasa may birthday! Happy birthday! Saan tayo? Cooking lesson. Cooking lesson 101. With Boy Chef Negro. Adobong sitaw. Mamaro tayo ng ano, ng adobo. Local gun. Ano pala yun? Tilapia at ano, bangos.
Native na tilapia.
Oo. Tabi, putang ina nyo. Tabi sinab. Hey! Wala pa, wala pa. Wala pa. Tatagayin ko yung ulo nyo eh. Yan. Okay, kainin nyo yung ano, termites. Grabe naman kayong dalawa. Nakita nyo yung ginagawa nyo sa akin. Ginawa niya akong Jack Sparrow. Para akong si Chicken Sparrow. Gabi na, matulog na kayo. Oh, ano pa nagagawa niyo pa? pasok. Utang. Ilang itlog na yan? 2, 4, 6, 7. Lasing ka na ata? Hindi. And the mountains. Okay.
Alas 3 kasi nag-umpisa eh. Alas 4 siguro baka makauwi na.
Shit. It's like a wall. Man. It's mounted.
Ay, putang ina.
Bakit lang?
Putang ina, sobrang lalim.
Alam. Ingat nyo lang, puta baka dire-diretso ka dyan. Nga landslide, oh. Look at that view. Just imagine all those trees will be cut and you will see the bottom. I'm not sure what kind of mountain that is, but it looks beautiful, to be honest. Look at the sky and that area. Got more shit to do. Kape! Hey! Kape!
The business idea.
Puno 1, Puno 2. Yan ang maging daan natin. Nakita ko hanggang dito lang. Yan, 5 feet na to. Taas. Mas pababa. Game. Hayo.
Nasama tayo ni Bertie.
Yes, chat tayo sa birthday mo.